3 defendants in a 2022 child cruelty case in Stone Mountain pleaded guilty today in a DeKalb County courtroom. Fox 5's Kim Loeffler spoke with some of the families who gave victim impact statements in court. Kim joins us live on that story tonight. The families, Kim, told you they were not happy with the outcome.
Yeah, all the families we spoke with say they don't believe one of the sentences was harsh enough. Now, this case involves a total of 14 babies and toddlers.
Alexis Swain, Corey Chambers, and Cassandra Chambers received their sentence from a DeKalb County judge Wednesday after pleading guilty. An investigation revealed abuse at the Appletree Learning Academy in 2022 after a parent noticed injuries on her child's face.
There were poor decisions that were made. There were intentional decisions that were made.
Swain will serve 5 years in prison and 5 years probation for 29 counts of cruelty to children, which was less than what the district attorney's office suggested. Corey Chambers will serve 10 years probation for 5 counts of cruelty to children, and Cassandra Chambers will serve 12 months probation for 1 count of failure to report child abuse. Swain read an apology letter in court before receiving her sentence.
I can't express how sincerely sorry I am. No amount of time, amount of therapy, psychiatrical help can adjust for these kids.
For the parents that spoke in the courtroom Wednesday, the sentence was not enough.
And it was caught on camera how she was slapped on the head.
Saying their children will have scars from the abuse for years to come.
We're having hard times even disciplining her as a little girl, because she'll put her little hands up and say, please don't hit me.
They definitely should have gotten more time for the, stress and distress that our family has had to endure in the past 2 years.
But that was a great opportunity for her to give at least a strong message to the community that this is not something that a daycare worker should be allowed to do.
Now, there is a 4th defendant in this case, Sharetta Hull, who faces 19 counts of cruelty to children. In the courtroom earlier today, her attorney filed a motion to declare her incompetent to stand trial, and the district attorney's office says they will have an independent evaluation of her competency. Live this afternoon in DeKalb County, Kim Loeffler, Fox 5 News.
Kim, thank you so much.